I'm going to show you step by step how I do a simple and basic DIY pedicure at the park. I am relaxing and enjoying the ducks, sitting by the water, and the breeze is absolutely amazing, and I'm even enjoying the fishies. All is good but these crusty toes. But stay tuned throughout the entire video to see how I get them to look like these beauties right here. My toes went from busted and disgusted to pretty and blue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell. I hope you enjoyed this foot transformation. Let's get into it. Yo, it should be against the law to walk outside with toes that look like these. Where is Karen when you need her? Because literally, I think I broke the law. Okay, these toes are super busted and crusty, and like literally, this is probably like a month-old pedicure that I did on myself. So yeah, let's get these bad boys transformed. Show you guys how I do the most basic and simple pedicure that anybody can do. I'm going to do the bare minimum when it comes to doing a quick pedicure that turns out beautifully. And of course, the first step is to remove the old polish with the cotton ball and nail polish remover, or 100% acetone if you have it on hand. But I've been super lazy, and of course staying in the house majority of the time, and I have neglected my feet to the fullest. So I thought today enough is enough. I'm going to get out the house. So I went to the park and I took the time out to do a simple and pretty pedicure. And there you have it. The old polish is removed. My feet still looks crusty and busted, but guess what? We're gonna fix those. Just stay tuned. As you guys can see, my toenails are super long and sharp, and probably because literally sent someone to the ER. So my next step is to clip your toes. I like to clip my toes straight across. I find it gives it that salon pedicure look when your toenails are straight. So I always clip my toenails straight across. Honestly, I love doing my own pedicure because I'm cheap, okay? And it saves money. And honestly, you can do your pedicure for free. I'm going to show you guys what my toes look like. I'm just showing you guys one foot, and I did the other foot off camera, and I'll be doing that throughout the entire video. My feet still look like someone ran them over with a train, but like this video if you guys can already see an improvement with removing the polish and clipping the toenails. The next step is to gently remove the cuticle from your toes. If you have waited a while like I have to do your pedicure, this step is very essential, and honestly is going to make the end product look so much better. But be careful with removing the cuticle. You don't want to remove too much because you can damage your feet with removing too much cuticle, so just keep that in mind. The beauty of doing your own pedicure is the flexibility to paint your toes anywhere. Like right now, I am painting my toes in the park. It saves you money and time. And honestly, this is the perfect time to learn how to do your own pedicure because it will keep you away from the salon, which will keep you safe. And honestly, it helps everyone else be that much safer. Now it's time for the fun part, applying your polish. I chose the polish from Salon Perfect. It's in the number 540 and it's Ride the Heat Wave. So you start at the base of your nail and apply a very thin coat because it's going to help it dry and it's going to stop your polish from being clumpy. So apply a very thin coat. You start from the base of every nail and you just go ahead and swipe up. Make sure if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys go check out the other pedicure video I did. It's called DIY Perfect Salon Pedicure at Home. Literally, it's the ultimate self-pampering pedicure you can do at home, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. So make sure you guys check that out. So this is what the first coat looks like. Make sure you guys apply a second coat so it doesn't be transparent like this. So I have already applied the second coat of polish onto my nails. I did that off camera because basically I do the same thing as I did with the first coat, so there's no need to re-record that. So I did a little oopsie right there. I'm applying my top coat on my feet. I recommend at least 10 minutes in between each coat of polish. I absolutely enjoyed doing this relaxing, simple pedicure at the park. I highly recommend doing this. This will also be a perfect DIY pedicure at home, step by step. So far, I have removed the old polish, I have clipped my toenails, removed the cuticles, applied 2 coats of polish and a top coat, and my feet look so freaking good. They are still ashy, as you guys can see, so let's fix that right now. The final step is to moisturize your feet. I'm using the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Protectant Cream. This is a great lotion if you have eczema. It has 7 moisturizers and 3 vitamins in it, so it's super moisturizing. As you guys can see, my freaking feet are so moisturized and they look so freaking good. So I took this time out to give myself a mini foot massage. It is so important to pamper yourself and take care of yourself. And this was the ultimate relaxing pedicure I've ever done. I enjoyed being at the park, and honestly, I had a great time. I will reveal the final results right now. And there you have it. My toes are complete. Oh my gosh, this is the ultimate foot transformation. My toes look so freaking cute. This is a bluish / purple color. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. My toes are moisturized and they look absolutely amazing. I enjoyed the rest of my day at the park. I totally kept my foot in the pond, and it just honestly was just, like I said, the most soothing and relaxing day that I could have done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Now I'm going to play some relaxing music and let you guys just admire my feet for a second. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video. We are almost done. Thank you guys for watching my basic pedicure. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'm sure you guys will enjoy how I do my DIY salon perfect pedicure. Literally, it is the perfect pedicure like ever, so make sure you guys check out that video. I also did a video on how I do my nails at home, so make sure you guys check out that video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm, and I really appreciate it so much. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.